A helicopter that can sling 2 armored trucks through desert heat, refuel in midair, and still thread into a ship's tight deck spot isn't science fiction. It's here. Today on Defense Firepower, we break down the engineering leap, the hot-high mission it was built for, and the price of power backed by test data and official reports. The CH-53K was built around a hot-high mission: lift 27,000 pounds to 110 nautical miles in Navy high-hot conditions, about triple the CH-53's baseline, so units can move useful mass, not just paper payload. Its triple-hook external system can carry independent loads and drop them at 3 different locations in one sortie, which is a real change for distributed sustainment. A full-authority digital fly-by-wire flight control system replaces mechanical linkages, stabilizes the aircraft at extreme gross weights, and lowers pilot workload, especially in brownout and NVG regimes. The K has air-to-air refueling clearance, day-night, and has flown heavy-load AAR, key if you're supporting expeditionary advanced base operations over theater distances. On deck or ashore, its cabin is 12 inches wider than the E and can internally load an HMMMWV or 2 AMC for 63L pallets, speeding roll-on or roll-off logistics. G ET408 GE 400 turboshafts deliver approximately 7,500 shaft horsepower each, giving the K the margin to carry that 27,000 at 110 nautical mile load in heat and altitude. The program has demonstrated a 36,000-pound external lift, defining the top of the envelope for outsized lifts, for example, radar modules, bridging gear. DOT&E notes the K's triple-hook architecture and fly-by-wire as major improvements over the E, not just performance, but handling and survivability in real operations. Paired with new composite main rotor blades and a re-engineered driveline, the K turns engine power into useful lift with fewer pilot compromises at the edge of the envelope. The Marines declared IOC in April 2022, and the Navy approved full-rate production in December 2022, moving the K from concept to serial build. On September 26, 2025, NAVAIR awarded a 5-year multi-year procurement up to 99 aircraft valued at approximately $10.9 billion, projecting approximately $1.5 billion savings. Fiscal year 25 to 29, and deliveries 2029 to 2034. Independent oversight pegs current scale. The DoD Inspector General's December 2024 summary cites $26.6 billion procurement, $8.1 billion RDT&E, $63 billion O&S, 14 aircraft delivered by June 2024, and $135.8 million average acquisition cost, a clean baseline for cost discussions. Separate from airframes, the Navy also set up an engine MYP for up to 321 T408s, fiscal year 25 to 29, to stabilize pricing and spares, a quiet but crucial sustainment lever. In April 2024, Marines used a CH-53K to transport a non-flying F-35C test airframe between test sites. Big, awkward, and exactly the sort of impossible lift the K is built for. In May-June 2025, Fleet Readiness Center East inducted the first K model for depot-level aged exploration, the milestone that opens the long-term sustainment learning curve on composites, sensors, and fly-by-wire systems. NAVAIR and program leaders are explicit. The K isn't an E+. It's a born digital aircraft whose predictive maintenance and data-driven sustainment are designed to push readiness and cost in the right directions if operators lean into new processes. Independent coverage throughout 2024 to 2025 tracks how that digital backbone, onboard health monitoring, connected fleet data digital twins is being used to move from reactive fixes to predictive sustainment as the fleet grows. The Marine Corps finally has a heavy lift machine built for hot-high, long-range distributed logistics, and the contracting moves in 2025 show it's scaling for real. What mission do you think changes most when you can move 27,000 pounds to 110 nautical miles in the heat in one hop at night and top off on the way back? If you value fact-checked military analysis, like, share, and subscribe to Defense Firepower. Until next time, stay vigilant, stay locked and loaded.